Click on Login, enter password. Password, click OK. Click on New to enter the specification parameters, and then click on New. Enter the wire specifications, terminal specifications, and testing standards and click OK. Find the cut and polished product. Click on the real-time image and select the magnification point that matches the microscope. OK. Click on Automatic Measurement. Select the measurement standard point. OK. Wait for the automatic scanning to end and click Complete. Click Save as Word to output the report.